What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, when I picked up the 2018 12.9 inch iPad, I bought this case for it, which I thought would be a good idea. It was like £10 on Amazon. However, when it arrived, it had this weird, obviously glue smell, which smelled a bit like rotten fish. That finally cleared up and I thought, you know what, it might be a good case. Turns out it's actually not that great. I mean, it attracts dust like no one's business, fingerprints. It's just a disgusting case. So then I was on Amazon a couple of nights ago and I found this. This is Spigen's case. This is the Rugged Armour Pro. Spigen always sends stuff out to me, but this is a product I've bought myself, just like most products I do buy myself. I like this because of obviously the carbon fibre effect on the top. It's a bit more rugged, exactly what it says. There's a spot for the pencil where it will still charge, and obviously you can stand it up in both ways the way you can with this, which I'll show you right now, because you can literally get it, fold it back and have it set up like so, or you can have it also set up like that so you can type away, which is obviously it's a good thing. And it's a magnetic case as well, because if you look at this just literally slides out because it's only held in with a magnet. It's not been a bad case, but it just looks disgusting. It's dead flimsy. It doesn't feel good. So this is the 12.9 inch iPad, the 2018 model with the single camera. So let's set that to the side and let's jump into this and let's see what you get inside the box. So peeling the top off, you've got it's all wrapped up. So if we peel off the wrapper, let's take it out the bag. Like so. So you've got your Spigen branded on the bottom. You've got this flap that goes across to the back, and obviously around where the pencil groove is. This is where your pencil's going to sit. Let's pop that out. So you've got your nice TPU lining to protect it on falls, etc. If we fold this over, it's going to stand just like the other one is and sit just like that one for typing. So let's go ahead, get the iPad into its case, like so. Okay, and there we go. But as you can see, this is the cutout for obviously the newer iPad with the dual camera and the flash at the bottom, so the big square, like the iPhone, but still works well for the original one. So let's go ahead, let's open up this part here, the flap, and let's put in the Apple Pencil. So you find the groove and place it in like so, and it basically it's in there nice and solid, so you can walk around with this and it's not going to fall out. Spigen branding across the back and on the front, nice ruggedness to the case. This flap I think might get a bit annoying at times. Carbon fibre down both sides, which is a nice touch, and of course Spigen on the front where the triangle stand is. That's what they classify it as, a triangle stand. That looks pretty fantastic. I'm quite happy with that. It was reasonably cheap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave links in the description for this case along with Spigen's other cases they do for the iPads. I'll leave it for the iPad Pro 12.9, the 11 and the new iPad Airs. So be sure to head down there and check them out. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. See you all soon.